Hi everyone, here's a question for you. Why do large language models, or LLMs, rely on high-dimensional vectors to store user queries and responses? Sounds technical, right? Let's break it down together. When we interact with an LLM, like asking it a question, the system doesn't just store our words as plain text. Instead, it converts them into high-dimensional vectors. These are essentially numerical representations of the query's meaning. But why go through all this trouble? Imagine a giant three-dimensional space where every point represents a piece of information. Now multiply that complexity into thousands of dimensions. This is what we call a high-dimensional space. Each vector captures the essence of your query or response based on its context and meaning. Here's where the magic happens. By comparing your query's vector to others stored in a database, the system can find semantically similar responses, even if the wording is completely different. This process is called vector similarity search and uses metrics like cosine similarity or Euclidean distance to measure closeness. But why is this important? First, it makes LLMs faster and more efficient. Instead of generating a fresh response every time, they can retrieve pre-stored answers from a vector database using these embeddings. This reduces costs and improves response times, especially for repetitive queries. For instance, if you've asked about best vacation spots before, the system can quickly fetch that response without needing to reprocess everything. This is especially useful in applications like customer service or chatbots. So why do we need high-dimensional vectors specifically? Well, the more dimensions we have, the more details we can capture about the relationships between words, context, and meaning. This allows LLMs to deliver highly accurate results even for complex queries. In short, high-dimensional vectors are like the brain cells of LLMs, storing and retrieving knowledge efficiently. They're what make these models smart enough to understand us. So next time you ask an AI a question, remember, there's some fascinating math behind that instant answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more AI insights.